My due respect to the CEO and President of St. Joseph Institute of Technology, Dr. Leticia C. Salas, Ma'am. To the Senior Vice President of SRIT, Professor Nicole Joy C. Salas, Sir. To the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Cesar Eustaquio, Sir. To our ever-dynamic Principal, Professor Liz Irish and Villamor, Ma'am. To the faculty and staff of Basic Education Department, parents, guests, friends, and fellow Giuseppians, good afternoon. Today is an exceptional day for all of us, for we will celebrating our acquaintance party this evening. This event also marks the commemoration of the death anniversary of our beloved founder, the late Dr. Nicomedes Salas. As we go along with this program, let me first express my gratitude to my fellow pupils who supported me throughout my campaign and journey to be a PGO president. I also want to thank my family, parents, teachers, and of course my fellow Giuseppians for trusting me in this position. Additionally, I would like to thank the other candidates who ran. You all carried out fair campaigns that made for an exciting and competitive election. Congratulations to my fellow elected officers. I look forward to serve as your leader while we work together as a team to represent this group of extraordinary and diverse Giuseppians. Now that I am formally placed into the position as your PGO president, I am more than ready to put into action what I have said to you during the election. Being an officer is not as easy, but rest assured that your trust and support will not be put in waste. I'll do my best to put my plans into action. I cannot do this without your support and approval. It's not about what I can do on my own. It's about representing you to the best of my abilities. Let's help one another to promote betterment and development of our school. Once again, this is your PGO President, Dazzle Bertie Amabad. Thank you and God bless us all.